Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable data layer in Shopify according to GA4 schema. Through data layer, we can dynamically track the e-commerce product very easily. We can track our customer activity through the data layer. And as you can see, here is Google developer.google.com, and according to this is our GA4 data layer schema is view items. And if I go to view item details, and here is even name is view item on GA4 schema. Okay, and also where is add to cart? As add to cart event name is, this is the GA4 schema. GA4 schema track very easy, and this is our latest version schema. Now we will see how to enable data layer on our Shopify store according to GA4. So without further delay, let's get started. First, we need to connect Google Tag Manager our Shopify store, and if I go to must be connected before enable data layer on our store. Now I'm checking store is Google Tag Manager is installed. This is GA4 Tag Manager. Now check data layer is working or not. Before Shopify store is checking. Okay, here is our debug mode is connected successful. Now I'm going to any product, add to cart, checkout, and as you can see here is not action yet because our data layer is not enabled. And if I check other data layer checker extension, our data layer is not installed yet. Okay, now let's see how to enable data layer on our store. Now I am closing and closing this. Now need to go to theme, the action, edit code, and now we need to go to snippets and create a new snippets. Our snippet name is data layer all pages. Done. Data layer all pages, the liquid file has created successfully. And now we need to copy this code. Here is two code, but we need to before change the Google Tag Manager ID, and we need to copy this code. We need to replace the Google Tag Manager ID. Now go to Google Tag Manager, copy your container, Google Tag Manager ID, copy and just paste it here. Sorry, we need to go to a notepad, remove space, and again copy, paste it here. Again we need to replace again here. Okay, here is Google Tag Manager script. Okay, now we need to copy this code. Copy and go to data layer all pages on liquid file and just paste here, Control B or Command B. So successful now. After code successful, now one go to head, closing head. Now we need to put this code, include data layer all pages, liquid code, that paste it here and save. Now exit. Now we need to this code again, we need to copy again, go to checkout, order processing, skip additional, copy, go to theme, go to checkout and go to settings and check out an account, and under the an additional, if you have already any script, just remove and paste this code and just save. Now we need to check our data layer is enabled or not. We need to go to Google Tag Manager again, preview section, again go to preview, connect. Our debugging mode is connected successfully. Continue, go to page view, boom, and as you can see, this is view item, and our data layer is enabled. This is according to GA4 is data layer is view item. If I go to view item, and as you can see, our event name is view item GA4 analytics. As you can see, here is our name is view item. As you can see, here is items, item ID, item variant, item name, item price, item brand, category, etc., description, product URL. If I go to add to cart, and as you can see, here is our GA4 schema, add to cart. Okay, now check out. Put your details, continue shipping, continue payment, complete, again same as shipping address, order is successful. And as you can see, here is purchase event is fired, data layer is enabled. As you can see, our item ID, variant, price name, price, our product price is 0.00, and quantity. As you can see, our details, billing details, shipping details, our email, currency USD. And as you can see, total spent $0, total order 7, means I have already total order 7 on this shopping for my this account. I have already total order 7, total spent $0, because this product price is 0. All product price is 0. Our details, our user ID, and as you can see, here is our purchase, our value, our affiliation, transaction ID is 1007, transaction ID 1007, our value, our tax, shipping charge, subtotal, it's showing 00 because my product price is 00. If you have I have purchased any, let's say every product or 0, okay, I'm adding this product value, I'll go to product name is 321. You don't need this below, delete variant. Product price is $50. Save is successful. If I go to again preview mode, now I'm purchasing this product. Sorry. Now fix, add to cart, checkout, check again, and here is our details. Bangladesh, continue. Sorry again. Okay, complete. Payment gateway is on setup, test order. This is this is my free store, for the reason it's not receiving a real order, but it's 100 fully working your store. Don't worry, I have already checked. This is successfully working. Thank you for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks.